So hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about form layout. So what is form layout? Form layout is all the customization and changes made it in the form incident form. Here I can just select the incident dot form. So you guys directly redirect to the incident form. Here you can see all the fields are available, number, color and categories. All the fields are available. Here you just click on the additional action and just click on configure and click on form layout. Here you can see in the middle form layout. You just redirect to the form layout page. After you can see here, you can see the available field and selected field. All the selected field are in the form. I can show you in this form, and all the available field are not available in the current form. In all the selected field are available in the current form. On the left and the right and the bottom you can see available all the selected fields. You can add or remove the fields to from this. I just show you to by adding a field called business requirements. I just click on the add button on the. Here you can see the business requirement field is added after the description. Under the description you can see, and just click on save, and here you can see in this form is not loaded successfully. After the form is loaded, here you can see the business requirement form field is added in the form. So by this way you can customize your form through form layout. You can go to configure and form layout. So here you can see the business requirement field is added um, under the description. I just move upwards to after the split on the form. So guys, here you can see I just add the business requirement after the split. So guys, here you can see the split. After split, before split you can see the left side, and after split you can see the right side of the form. So uh, I just want to show more things on the form layout. So here you can see you can add a field also. You can create a field also. Sorry, you can create a field also by creating new field. Here you can see all the things, field name, and you can select the name. You can, and type also you can select type, which type you also change. You can select the form length also. I just create showing you text savvy. I just select the name, type the name. I just show you by creating a field in the form. So here you can see I just add a added a new field called text savvy, and I just click on save. Saving. After saving I can show you in the form a new field is created by the name of text savvy. This is not closed. Yeah, this is closed, and here you can see it is reloaded, and here you can see the text savvy field is added in the form. So in this way you can create a field also in the form by using form layout, and you can remove this by select and click on the remove button on in the middle. So I just show you how you can add and remove and create, and I just show you the reference field. Here you can see the assign to. I just select on the assign to and click on the reference button. Here you can see all the reference fields of assign to are available here. I just select the VIP. Here you can see I want to select the VIP in the I just click on add. After adding, here you can see assign to VIP is added. So when you select the reference field, you can see after field name it appears. Assign to VIP, assign to color. If you select the color in the reference, so assign to color. Here you can see the VIP checkbox is appear in the form. So by this way you can change the form um, layout and configure. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel.